What up, y'all? Today is November 4th. That means tomorrow is election day. And I'm chilling. I'm chilling for today. No trading for me. I'm just going to be hanging out, shooting the shit with the VIP members, but no trading for me today or tomorrow. I'm waiting for after elections to start trading again. Just because I want better market conditions. After reviewing my journal this week, I reviewed like 6 months worth of me journaling. Honestly, the strategy still works. You just need a little bit tweaking. The tweaking is stop trading right now because the market conditions is not good. So that sometimes that could be it. Just stop doing what you're doing. It's working. It's not working right now. Come back to it after the big event happen. So that's what I plan on doing. Coming back to it when after the big events happen. I'm about to start the VIP right now. About to see what we can catch. Well, I'm not catching anything, but let's say a demo trade, right? Let's say a demo trade. Let's see what a demo trade can catch today. Who knows? But we active. We're about to get active with the VIP right now. I got my hot chocolate. It's brick outside today. I did my 2 mile run today. As usual, you know, you gotta stay in shape. I'll see what we can see what the VIP talking about.
What's going on with y'all? Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
You got the VIP, man. Let's see what Gang O's looking for today, man. Grab one of these Excedrin C's, because Lord knows I don't want to be sick, bro. I've been trying to fight ever since it started getting cold to not get sick. I've been drinking one of these every morning, bro. I really don't want to be sick. The weather changing on me crazy. I did a 2 mile run today outside. Freezing. Freezing. But you know, we here, man. As I said, I'm not trading today. I'm waiting for after elections is done. I'm here just to really shoot the shit with y'all. Just talk. If y'all trading, yeah, that's what's up. Tell me what y'all trading. Show me your charts. I'm down for whatever, but I'm not trading. It's probably one of the hardest market conditions I had to trade. It's harder. This is harder than the summertime market conditions because even in the summertime, I had better results than what I've had the last 3 weeks. I'm not even gonna lie. One of the hardest market conditions I had to trade in. I never had an election season to trade in. I never traded election seasons or an election time. So I've only been trading 4 years. When I came into markets, usually around when everybody else came into markets around 2020. So I never experienced an election season yet. So this is a good first experience. I'm sure many of y'all, this is just y'all first experience too. I hope this shit save me, bro. I don't want to be sick.
So let's go. I'm just paper trading right now, man.
It's a trade I would have taken if I was trading today. Yo, I would have taken this trade, but you know, no trade today. It looked like it's about to hit stop loss anyway. Save me an L. Smooth with the VIP. Smooth with the VIP. Jumped into this demo trade right here. My son Andre, he up TP1 on his trade setup. Let's see.
That's my thing about it.
Trade stopped out. Ooh, good thing it was a demo trade. Ugh.
Yeah.
Y'all know what time it is, man. Had to get my nuts and my banana, man. It's time. It's time to eat right. It's time to eat right. I'm officially off the call with the VIP now. So, what I'm going to get into is my best and my worst trades of the month for last month. We're in November now, so I'm talking about October. We're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys, you know, the best and worst trade, but I'm using through TradeZilla because I document most of my trades. So we'll get right into it. And most of my winning trades, I don't really have much to say, but my losing trades, we'll talk about what I have to say. Let's get into it. For the month of October, October was a rough month, bro. Look at October. It was a lot of winning trades in the beginning, a lot of losing trades coming to the end. You know, my first 2 weeks of October was my profitable weeks, and then the last 3 weeks, which is okay. I think my best month in October, it wasn't even the most profitable. It's not even this that was the most profitable day. It was probably that Friday. I want to see if I journaled it. Well, on TradeZilla, I didn't get to journal it because at that time I had lost access to TradeZilla, and I think I got it back probably in the last 2 weeks of the month or last 3 weeks of the month to catch all those losing trades. But I did journal it in Notion. So that was Friday, October the 4th, and I took this setup right here. You can see this is the 1 minute. We can see clean setup I always take. We had a structure high, came render low, took it right here. I'm pretty sure I took it right here. Entry, deep pullback, probably draw down for a nice minute. And then once it started dropping, I know I trailed my stop losses with the drop. This drop too was the final drop that I trailed my stop losses. Hit TP2. Really good trade. As I said, when I win trades, I really don't have much to say about winning because it just everything happened the way it was supposed to. So it's not really much to say. This is how it looked on a 15-minute time frame. We could see that 15-minute candle gave a nice wick rejection. The next candle, bullish engulfing. We had a nice little pullback and then it continued to drop. From there on, really, it really feels nice to end a Friday off on a high note. On this particular Friday was amazing. So let's get straight into my worst trades of the month, which I probably was able to journal. This was 2 weeks ago on a Wednesday. Let's get into this one. I know I journaled this. Took a big loss today. This one hurt. I know to manage trade risk well, but I fucked up big time today. Too much risk. Funded account down bad. Man, this is unfortunate. So yeah, I know I took a normal setup that I usually always take, but I just over risked. I don't know if I was too confident. Maybe I put it in here. I don't think it was nothing to do with confidence. Took a risk, candle closed, reverse took me out. Why did I take a big risk like that? I don't remember what happened. I think it's just a risk. The risk was just too high for this trade. Over risked, lost a lot on this trade. Really, I would have taken this trade any day. Any day. I would have. This is textbook. Well, it's not really textbook, but it's one of the setups that I usually take. It's just I over risked. I over risked on it. Like if I could have just lost the proper amount of capital, it would have been okay. I probably would have lost maybe 200, 250 max on this trade. Wish it probably would have brought down the loss from being 600 to around like 4, which is, it's only $200 off, but it adds up when you have multiple losing days. Especially seeing in the last couple weeks, I had losing days back to back to back. We made a wick going into 9:30. Took the buys, hoping that the candle will close or reverse. It took me out. I could have managed risk better. As y'all can see, man, I did bad. I would say I started off the month incredibly. The second week of the month, I was feeling like a king. I was probably up like 2 point something K. I was like, yeah, if I keep going like this, man, I'm gonna be able to make a big payout. And then the markets just started going not the direction I wanted it to. And the truth is, I over risked. I over risked on trades. The most I ever want to lose in a whole day is $500. $500 is the max I want to lose in a day, right? But you could see this day I lost more than 500. This day I lost more than 500. And then the other days I risk managed a lot better. So losing days are inevitable. Losing days are going to happen regardless if you do the right thing or not. Honestly, it's better to just do the right thing. But losing days are going to happen regardless. Managing risk, so your losing days won't kill you. Your losing days won't really wipe out a lot of the progress that you have made, is definitely key. Is definitely key to having longevity in trading. And trading is much like life. Like you're going to take losses. No matter if you're doing all the right things, you're going to take losses, bro. You just got to get back up. Try to control the losses. And it ain't about how bad you lose, it's how you get back after those losses and how you continue to progress after those losses. So it's really correlated to life. I tell people that all the time, bro. Trading is like life. For real. Trading is the correlations to real life is there's so many ways to correlate it. Life is a series of ups and downs. Whether your chart is going up and it has little dips that goes continuously breaking higher highs, or it looks like a downtrend. You choose your trend, but as long as you know you're in this, well, I'm in this life, I'm trying to be on the uptrend. Sometimes you're going to take small dips, as you can see on my trades. I took small dips, man. I took losses. I'm still up for the month. Like I've made money month after month. I've been continuously profitable for months now. Like a losing week is going to happen. Losing weeks are going to happen. You know, even a losing month. I haven't had a losing month as of yet, but losing weeks are going to happen. And it's okay. Like, I know what type of market conditions we're in right now. So I already, like, I understand, like, that's a big reason why things are not working out as well as I want them to. And I reviewed my journal for the last 6 months of trading. I collected the data like in my head, siphoned through the data from looking at the past trades I took. Like I'm still trading the exact same way. Exact same way. Of course, I had to make tweaks here and there and little adjustments, but I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Right now, just market conditions are not favorable. It's not on my side, which is okay. You know, things like that happens. Markets is about cycles. It's about different points in times, and it's not gonna stay the same. It's gonna continue to change. It's gonna continue to evolve and grow, just like life. Life can't just stay the same. It's gonna continue to grow. It's gonna continue to evolve and continue to change. You just gotta adapt. You gotta do the right thing and just keep pushing forward. Yeah, you're gonna fall down, but you gotta get back up. Fall down 10 times, get back up 11 times. You know, it's all about the get back. How do you get back? And this month was started off as an amazing month, and then it went. So, you know, as I said, we're gonna continue to do what we're supposed to do, and hopefully next month is better.